right, Kamaljeet, as you are bringing us up to date information that has been sent by you, we're now breaking it. The big news that's come in. Sources are telling India Today that forensic report with the Punjab police says RDX was likely used in this explosion. There is a suspected use of 2 kilograms of RDX. A lot of explosives got washed away in a water pipe burst. Kamaljeet, can you please explain this, that how has RDX now come forth from the forensic report that there could have been much more had it not got washed away in a nearby water pipe?
So, Pooja, the viewers must understand this is not a crude bomb which uses ammonium nitrate or some sort of sharpeners. This is a sophisticated military grade, and RDX is not something which is really available. And that is why once RDX is confirmed, the fingers do point towards Pakistan. But how did this former dismissed cop get in touch with those particular elements? We've seen in the past that several gangsters and smugglers have been used as far as militancy is concerned, as far as Khalistani terror is concerned. And those are the possibilities which are going to be probed. Now, this is still the initial time, and remember, investigation is still yet to be completed. And this is where more leads. They will be speaking to a woman who was very close to Gagandeep. They will also be speaking to other people who were close to him inside the jail. Those are leads which will come in. Now, it is also suspected that the phone which was not found, only remnants of it, he may not be making a direct open line call. He may have been speaking to them on the Signal or Telegram. But all these at this point of time are mere speculations. They have to connect the dots. But the first leads coming in, a breakthrough has come in.
So a lot of questions unanswered, as Kamaljeet is telling us, but there are leads coming in. Where was the RDX from? How was it managed? Who was this man? How did one ex-cop turned rogue manage to get in touch with other terror groups? And this RDX used in Ludhiana blast, could it actually pave way for much more? Remember, this is election season for Punjab, but at 12 p.m. we'll know from the Director General of Police what precisely are the details in this blast case. Kamaljit Sandhu with all the latest. Kamal, thank you very much for that.